y'all, welcome back to Auntie Tay's YouTube channel, and thanks for being here for another episode of The Sam Show. I was hoping to spark some creativity for you guys today with my personal wedding scrapbook. And I know you're probably thinking, Sam, didn't you get married like a couple years ago? Yes, I know. I'm just getting to scrapbooking, but whether you just have gotten married or you are getting married, I hope this is a fun video to show you not only different products you can use for your scrapbook, but all the different ways you can use Auntie Tay membership files for your wedding scrapbook. So let's get started. Hey everyone, it's Sam from the Auntie Tay team, and you're watching The Sam Show. Let's go make some fun things. Since I cannot possibly cover my entire scrapbook and what I want to do, I just want to show you my design space with the Auntie Tay membership files of just some. These are just some of the files I plan on using in my scrapbook. But let's start with the first project. I am using metallized vinyl for this particular little add-on. I am making a mirror, and the mirror you can find actually under the Snow White character, and then today is the day you can actually find that under awareness files. So I just want to show you how versatile these files are, guys. Like, it's not just the wedding files. There are so many good, amazing files, and you can be creative with the different things you use in your scrapbook too. So I'm using vinyl because you can see these words are teeny tiny. I did not want to cut this out of paper, and I love that I'm doing a mirror with metal vinyl, and it's chrome, so it literally reflects like an actual mirror. But when you get to the gist of it, this is nothing fancy. This is just vinyl layered on vinyl. And that's what I love so much is sometimes you think, scrapbooking is just paper, but no, you can use vinyl on it to make it way easier with those delicate things. You can play around with textures and different materials. You can see I used another metallized vinyl for the outside frame of the mirror, which it inspired me so much because in this particular spread, I am getting ready in my grandma's mirror, and it just meant so much to me. And I just thought, today is the day. It's a great day. I absolutely loved it. But yeah, I just layered it on a piece of cardstock and put that on my page. You can see that top photo I'm getting ready in that actual mirror that I told you about, and I love it. I think it's so cool that it reflects, and hopefully that inspires you to use some vinyl in your scrapbook pages. Now for the next one, I'm just keeping this basic with paper on paper, nothing fancy, but you can see these words are teeny tiny, and the glue I am using is the super tight fusion tack. It's good for paper too. It's acid free. I love it. I have it in this precision tipped bottle. It's way easier. And this particular file was actually using one of the Auntie Tay membership font files. So there wasn't a getting ready or anything along those lines for the wedding stuff, but I just took one of the Auntie Tay fonts and made my own file, and I think it's so fun. I used foamies so it would pop off the page just a little bit, and you can see my girls and I are getting ready for my big day. This next project, we are using HTV. Yes, you heard it right. So many people have been using HTV on paper, and I'm here for it. If you thought vinyl was going to make your life easier, just wait. HTV makes it even easier when weeding those intricate fonts. And something that I didn't have was a pearl paper. I didn't have a pearl looking vinyl, but I had a pearl HTV. So that is why I picked this particular color for this project too was because I loved the pearl look. It's like an off-white. It matched my dress perfectly, and because I had a lace dress and the inside color was like a light blush, almost nude color with the white cream lace on top of it, I thought I could recreate that using HTV and paper. I just used the lowest setting on my little mini press, and I don't push super hard. You don't really need to push that hard. And I only hold it there for, I don't know, maybe less than 30 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds. It really doesn't take a whole lot. It's not like you're putting it on a shirt or any type of fabric. And I let it cool down just a little bit, and then I peeled it right off. And it was so easy. Do you see the shimmer I'm talking about? It made a world of difference with texture, and I love that layered look. I added it to my page with foamies. And if you haven't noticed, I really like framing all my photos with the colors from the background page or the colors that are in the pictures, if you haven't caught on to that. But here is the dress. I love it. I love it. I hope you guys love it too. And the final way I'm going to show you guys how to get creative with your scrapbooks is using this cardstock diamond print glitter inkjet glitter cardstock. It is so awesome. So if you have an inkjet printer, you just load it the way you would typically load paper into your machine. So mine goes in that way and comes out this way. And I did a print and cut. I actually used some clip art files, floral files from the Auntie membership, and you just do it like a typical print and cut, and I cut it on glitter cardstock, and here's my Cricut just cutting it out. But oh my goodness, look how pretty this is. I mean, if you don't know me very well, I love flowers, and then I love glitter. You put them together, I mean, it's heaven, absolutely heaven. So I cut these out. I added an offset on paper. I put them on my page, and I just love how well this goes together, and the sparkle just adds so much to this page. The glitter cardstock is from Cardstock Warehouse, and they're an Auntie partner along with Super Tight. There are so many great partners and different things you can use and get a discount for being an Auntie member along with these files, guys. Oh my gosh, I hope you had so much fun. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope to see you on the next episode of The Sam Show.